Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. In today's video, I'll be showcasing this 1-bedroom apartment for sale. So if you didn't watch the previous video, you can go watch it. It's the same building, but a 2-bedroom apartment. So the one I'm showcasing today is 1-bedroom apartment for sale. The one I showcased previously was 2-bedroom apartment for sale. I'm going to put the link on the description box so that if you haven't watched it, you can go back and watch the full video. Hello everybody, welcome back to Youth Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So if you're new here, remember to hit the subscription button as we head to 2,000 subscribers. Enjoy the video. Here is your staircase, and now we go to the living room. See how spacious it is with very good lighting. Are you ready now? Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. So this 1-bedroom apartment is located in RONGAI. I do what I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. So this 1-bedroom apartment is located along Masai Lounge. The price of this 1-bedroom is 4.2 million. That is if you're buying the building. And as you watch the video, you can check the description box in case of any other changes. So for the same unit, when renting is 27.5 Kenyan shillings per month. So this 1-bedroom has separate washrooms. So this is the toilet.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do.
You have like a sink outside the toilet, and then you have your bathroom here.
Pain, anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until.
So this is the kitchen balcony.
Counting the days until you're gone. Waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running.
So both the units, the 1-bedroom and the 2 bedrooms, have 2 balconies.
Oh, I'm running. What am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything. You took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of line.
And then this is your bedroom. It's not a master en suite, but it's spacious enough.
So you have your wardrobe over there.
Maybe it's 'cause it's not enough.
And then your spacious living room.
Maybe it's not enough, baby. I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping?
So the major difference between the 2-bedroom that I showcased in my previous video and this 1-bedroom is the bathroom.
That's if you really love me. Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to.
And as I've said, I'm going to put the link on the description so that you can go watch the previous video. As you watch this video, I'm also going to put the thumbnail on top of this video so that you can see which video I'm speaking of.
You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead.
So from the balcony here, Nazarene University is not visible enough, but it's just near the environment. So this is the front balcony, and down there you can be able to see the parking area. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button. Bye bye, and see you on my next video.